Did you know that instead of rough, uneven brush strokes, you can get these butter smooth lines dead easy? In Illustrator, locate Paintbrush tool on the Tools panel and double-click on the icon. Next, in Paintbrush tool options panel, you can adjust brush stroke fidelity to be more accurate to your input, but also more uneven. Or you can make brush strokes a lot smoother. But less accurate to your input. Of course, it always helps to achieve smoother strokes if you are using graphic tablet. So next time you want those beautiful lines, remember to adjust brush smoothness. Now you know. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe for more. Thank you for watching and see you next time.